So this is my Model Y. It's a 2022. Now, when my daughter's in the back seat, there are two things that she asks very, very often. One, can I turn on the AC for the back seat? And two, can I skip song, please? So we've got something today that'll allow her to do this from the back seat. Let's go check it out. So this is what you see right now. There's literally just an AC and a couple of USB ports. There are no controls over here. What we're going to do is we're going to remove this and we are going to install this. This is an 8.6-inch screen that is going to replace this. It does have the AC vents, USB ports like this, but then this massive screen allows you to not only control some functions of the car, but it also allows Apple CarPlay, and it's got some built-in apps. So let's see how this installs. So with any car video, I've got Sam to help me out with this. And the first thing that we need to do is we need to power down this console. So basically you just go to the screen center console over here, and you need to go to the safety menu. And right at the bottom, you've got power off. So you want to press that so this whole system goes off, where we can begin the installation. Next thing we need to do is we need to just yank off this unit. It's supposed to come out just by yanking it. I don't know how much of a force it requires, but there we go. So that's one side. There. And here we go. Okay, amazing. So you've got a cable over here that's hooked up. Let's remove this next, I'm guessing.
Yep.
Pull it up. Yeah, there we go. So you've got that, and this is the old unit that will most likely not be used anymore. I'm just going to keep it in storage just in case. So the next thing we did was there were a couple of clips over here that we removed it because when we removed the unit from here, those didn't come out. So in case yours gets stuck as well, just kind of push them from the back and that will do it. Now this little thing, it comes with the kit that I've ordered, and this literally just plugs over here just to sort of complete the circuit. There you go. So this is all set. And here's where Sam comes in because it requires some prying and I'm not very good with that. Sam, over to you.
Okay, so I'm going in the middle.
Okay. Got it.
Cool. And it's
So-
got all the...
Just from underneath here, this is what came out, and Sam,
Yeah, so you've got 5 clips and they're all intact.
amazing.
So, all good. Then we're, I think, going to disconnect this.
The blue power plug.
Yep, so slides out like so. Then we've got the harness thing. So that will plug into that end. This will plug in. So it's kind of like a patch cable as such. And then we need to feed this part
Into the main unit.
into the main unit, which will go up here. So we're just going to loosen these 2 screws below here and then feed the cord up.
Awesome.
So we've got our Torx T20 and we're just gonna unscrew these 2 T20 nice and easy, unlike the cabin filter.
Yeah, that took a little bit of a strength, didn't it?
Yep, cool. So we've unscrewed the 2 T20s. We're gonna go ahead and clip this side of the harness into here. Obviously it only goes one certain way, which I have the wrong way. There we go, clip that in, nice solid connection. And then, oh, that is strange. So we've clipped in the connector over here. I am not sure why this connector has come like such, but let's go ahead and just plug it in and test it out. So I'm gonna slide that in there. Just keep this wire out of the way for now. Then we've got the other end of the cable. So you've got a white connector and a black connector. Over here, we have the unit, and where's the black connector? Here's one black sort of Molex looking connector. Line it up, yellow to yellow. Okay, so that's clipped in there. And then over on this side, you've got another connector. Let's go ahead and plug that like in so.
Okay.
Cool, I think. Shall we go ahead and... Oh,
there's
there we
power.
go. There's power. Power screen up already. Abbas, you remember I said the cable had that like one little cable sticking out?
That's right.
Well, we got in touch with them and they sent us a brand new cable. So let's go install it. So we've got the wires connected in at the bottom. We're going to take these wires and just basically feed it up. We've fed the wires now up through here. We can go ahead and clip it in. So over here you've got your white connector. You're going to line it up. One second, not exactly lined up. Cool. Clipped in nice and solid. And then we've got your Molex style connector, which will clip here. Okay. And now it's a good idea to go ahead and check, is it working? It is working.
We do have power, so that's great.
Amazing. Just tuck that behind there. And tuck this
All of that just goes, yep.
in there, yeah.
Put it here, and this is where the airflow is for the air conditioner. So try not to block anything on that side.
Yeah. So put that down there. And then just line it back up. Okay.
There we go. Looks like it's fairly secure.
Yeah, nice and solid.
Yep, very nice.
Only thing that I had noticed was that the AC vents only go side to side.
Okay.
You don't have an up and down control, which I think on
the
original one you have at least up and down.
Right.
So that's maybe something to. Oh no,
wait a minute.
yeah. It does have up and down.
Okay.
And you have left and right.
Slightly wobbly, but hey, it works.
So we're finished installing it. We're testing out AC on, AC off on, no issues.
Let's. I can feel the air right now. Let's go ahead and turn it off.
Turn it off. It's all right. Turn it off. There you go.
Wait for. Yep, air's gone. Okay. Amazing.
And what was the other request? I want to be able to play music.
That's right.
Yes.
There we go.
Music works as well. Volume control also works.
Amazing. And when you're doing that, I can see on the front screen where press the volume up.
Volume up.
So see, you got the volume controls on that screen as well.
Amazing.
Showing that it's actually working quite well.
Cool. So
very nice. Amazing.
All requests, one happy daughter. We'll put the screws back in and just literally clip that on. Pretty self-explanatory and good to go.
Took us what, like about 10 minutes? Under 10 minutes?
Yeah, 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Done.
Easy
Perfect.
job. Nice.